Hello and welcome to question 27 of the AQA GCSE Specimen paper 8300/1H. In this question we are asked to convert 0.172 with 7 and the 2 as repeating decimals to a fraction in its lowest terms. Okay, so let's say x is equal to 0.172 and they're repeating decimals, that's 7272, and they go on forever. Okay, so the first thing we can probably do is multiply x by 10 so we can get rid of that, get that 1 into a sensible place. So this is 1.7272, and of course the 7s and 2s go on forever. Okay, the next thing we can do is if we multiply, oh sorry, that's 10x, not 10. If we now multiply this again by another 100, we can have the 72 over here. So we have 1000x this time. Is equal to, and you'll see why in a second, 172.7272. Dot, dot, dot. What I want to do is keep these 72s lined up, you see, which is why I multiplied by 100. That was why I multiplied the 10x by 100. So when we now subtract 1000x from the 10x, what we're left with is 990x is equal to 172.727272 forever minus 1.72727272 forever. So all of these 727272s that go on forever are all subtracted from each other, so they all disappear, and we're left with 172 minus 1. So that's just equal to 171. So x, which is this repeating decimal here, is equal to 171 over 990, and that is expressed as a fraction. So now all we need to do is work out what that is in its lowest terms. Obviously we can't divide top and bottom by 2 because 171 is an odd number. So the question is, will it divide by something odd? Like for example 3. 990 will obviously divide by 3. So will 171 divide by 3? Well, 3's into 17 won't go, but the nearest one is 5 3's are 15. And 15 from 17 leaves 2, and that's 21. 3's into 21 will go 7 times, so yes, that will go into 3. So we're looking at 57 over 330, which is what you get obviously when you divide 990, because 9 divided by 3 is 3, 9 divided by 3 is 3, so that's 330. Now the question is, will that cancel down any further? Again, that 330 is looking very much like we should probably try and divide top and bottom by 3. Well, 3's into 5, that goes once with a remainder of 2. 3's into 27 goes 9 times, so yes, it will go. So that's 19 over 110. Well, 19 is a prime number, so I know I can't find any more factors in 19 that will divide into 110. So the only question is, will 19 itself divide into 110? Right, well, 5 times 20 is 100, so 5 times 19 is too small. 6 times 19, well, 6 times 20 is 120. 120 minus 6 is 114, and 114 is bigger than 110, so 19 will not 110 will not divide by 19. The answer will be somewhere between 5 and 6, bigger than 5 and less than 6, so it will be a decimal, not a whole number. So no, 19 will not go into 110 evenly. So this is the lowest form that we've got. So our answer is, oh, I didn't copy. Okay, so our answer is just 19 over 110. I hope that helps, and I'll see you in the next video.